Good evening, Shivam. So, good evening, everyone, once again. We'll wait for one more minute. If anybody else is also joining, please check with your friends. Else, we'll start. Any doubts from the last class, students? We had the last class on averages. Any doubts from the averages topic? Please confirm. Today's topic is numbers highest power. So, I think one of the students mentioned this as a doubt in the last class. So, we are covering this. Yeah, this is the today's topic we'll be covering. This is a good topic and a lot of good questions from CAT standpoint. Any doubts from the last class? Please confirm, students, in the chat window. Okay, Mandeep. All right, let's get started. So, numbers highest power is the topic. And yeah, let's start with the first question. Please solve this. And please tell me the answer. 30 seconds, we'll discuss. Very easy question. Please get started. Ruby is saying first option. Let's check if it is right answer or not. Others, please confirm. What is the answer you're getting? संबित और स्मिहान भी कह रहे हैं फर्स्ट ऑप्शन 4. अमनदीप कह रही हैं फोर्थ ऑप्शन. ओके अमनदीप, विल चेक what is the right answer. Any other answers coming, please, students, tell me. Okay Amandeep, you are also saying first option. Okay, no worries, we will erase the fourth option. Okay, so all of you are saying first option. Let's discuss if it is the right answer or not. Okay, Archana is also saying first option. Okay, so unit digit of all of these numbers. So when we are talking about the unit digit, then we have to only look at the unit digit. We are not supposed to see whatever is in front of it, not the 10th place, not the 100th place, not the 1000th place. So if I can write down the same thing as 7 into 8 into 9 into 4, my bad, into 9 into 3 into 2. Now this will again, if I just look at this will also give me the same unit digit. Yeah, let's solve this now. So I'll just be looking at the unit digit. 6 into 9 is 54. 4 is my unit digit. 8 4 the 32 is my unit digit. 7 into 2, 14. 4 is my unit digit, which is my answer. First option is the right answer, 100% correct. All of you are right. So you can see first thing I translated this to the unit digits from all the numbers, and then I multiplied and only focused on the unit digit to get my answer. Clear, everybody? Shall we proceed? This is very easy and Basic? Please confirm. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। ये बात बिल्कुल सिंपल है और क्लियर हो गई है। अब आगे देखते हैं। ये कॉन्सेप्ट भी वही कह रहा है व्हाट वी हैव जस्ट लर्नड, that when the question asks about the unit digit, the only relevant digit to answer the question is unit digits of all the numbers. Please check. Clear everyone? ये बात clear हो गई सभी को? Shall we proceed? Please confirm. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Yes. Now let's look at the different numbers at the unit digit and what is their cyclicity. So the word is cyclicity. कुछ लोगों के लिए ये शब्द जो है वो पहली बार सामने आ रहा होगा. What is cyclicity? Let's see. So whenever the unit digits are 0, 1, 5 and 6, no matter what is the power they are raised to, the answer will remain as the same, 0, 1, 5 और 6 respectively. तो ये आप प्लीज नोट कर लीजिए पहले तो. 0, 1, 5 and 6, no matter what is their power, the numbers are going to remain the same. Point number 1. इसमें कुछ आपको नोट्स बनाने पड़ेंगे. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. प्लीज मेक द नोट्स. सेकंड पॉइंट, फॉर द यूनिट डिजिट ऑफ 4 and 9, the cyclicity is 2. Now what is cyclicity? How many times the number is going to repeat, after how many times the number is going to be coming out to be the same value. So 4 into 4 16, 6 is the unit digit and 6 into 4 is 24. Again 4 is there, so unit 4 is per odd. When it is there, it is 4. 4 is per even, it is 6. Again, if I multiply 6 into 4, I get 4 back. So cyclicity is 2. After 2 multiplications, I am getting the 4 unit digit back. Similarly, for 9, my 9 raised per odd is 9. 9 raised per even is 1. 9 into 9 is 81. 1 into 9 is again 9. So again, my cyclicity is 2, and I will be getting the third raised to the power again as 9. So here the cyclicity is 2 for 4 and 9. Please check. Yeah, please note kar lijiye. And please confirm in the chat window once you have noted this down. तो अभी तक 6 numbers की बात हो गई है. 0, 1, 5, 6, 4 and 9. Please confirm everyone in the chat window once you have noted this down. Soon shall we proceed? Okay, Ruby. Others? Okay, Archana. Others? I'll wait for another 15 seconds. Okay, let's go to the next slide. And we have the pending numbers which are 2, 3, 7 and 8. अब इनकी भी बात कर लेते हैं ये. So what is the cyclicity of these 4 numbers? It is 4. How many times I will be multiplying the number with itself to get the same number back? So for 2, if we can see, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32. The 5th time I will be getting the number as 2 back, which means I have to multiply 2 with itself 4 times to get my number back. Same thing for 3. I can see 3 to 3 is 9, 9 to 3 is 27, 27 into 3 is 81. I'll take the unit digit 1, and 1 into 3 is 3 again. Similarly for 7, similarly for 8. You can check. Please make a note of this table. This is again important for 2, 3, 7 and 8. Please observe. Here the cyclicity is 4. Please confirm once you have noted this down. Okay, Archana. Others, please confirm. Okay, Shivam. Others? All right. Let's proceed now towards the questions. We have this all information with us and we can start applying it now. Find the unit digit of 8 raised to the power 47. Now, whatever we have just learned, we have seen for 8, the cyclicity is 4. Now, how to go about it? Please try to solve this one if you can solve it, otherwise we'll discuss. Can you please tell me the answer? 30 seconds, we'll discuss. Ruby, you're saying the second option or the fourth option? 2 means what? Okay. So Ruby is saying fourth option. Archana is saying fourth option. And Shivam is also saying fourth option. We'll check if it is the right answer. Adesh is also saying fourth. Okay. Okay, let's solve it and see what is the right answer. So how do we go about it? We have just learned a fact that for 8, the cyclicity is 4. Now, how do we go about it? Whatever is the power, we divide it by the cyclicity. 4 ones are 4, 7, 4, the remainder is 3. Whatever is the remainder, we replace the value by the remainder, the power by remainder. So I can write this down same as this will be equal to 8 raised to the power 3. And I know for 8 raised to power 3 is what? 8 ones are 8, 8 8s are 64, 8 fours are 32. My 8 raised to power 3 is 2. Fourth option is the right answer, 100% correct. You all are right. Good. So what I've done here is I have just divided the power by the cyclicity, and whatever is the remainder, I have just replaced the power by remainder to get my answer. Clear, everyone? Everybody clear? Please confirm. Now comes another question that if my number is completely divisible by the cyclicity and the remainder is 0, then what do we replace in the power? Please tell me. For example, this number would have been 8 raised to the power 44. Now tell me what I should replace this with. Can you please tell me what will be the answer? Sambit is saying 6. Okay, Sambit. I mean, my question is, what will you be replacing this power with? यहाँ पर क्या आएगा संबित? Exactly, Archana. So यहाँ पर if it is completely divisible, we'll mention the value 4. 0 can also be mentioned as 4, right? Just to make the right interpretation. So right, Sambit, your answer is correct. 2 into 8 is 16. My answer will be 6 is the right answer when the value is 8 raised to the power 44. I will be replacing the 0 with 4 to make the calculations simpler. Clear? Everyone, shall we proceed? Everyone, please confirm in the chat window. Can we go to the next one? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. अगला प्रश्न आपकी स्क्रीन पर ये रहा. Please tell me the answer. Now everybody should be able to solve it. Sambit is saying third option. Okay, we'll check. Others, please confirm. Shivam and Archana are also saying third option. Okay, we'll check. Last 15 seconds we will discuss. Smehan is also saying third option. Ruby, please बताइए क्या आंसर आ रहा है आपका? Ruby is getting option 4. Okay, let's check. Okay, shall we discuss, everyone? चलिए आइए डिस्कस करते हैं और देखते हैं क्या है इसका सही उत्तर. So first thing first, I can reduce this down to, rather than saying 27, can I say it is 7 raised to the power 42? Because I'm just concerned with the unit digit. First thing is this. And then for 7, I know the cyclicity is 4, right? So I can replace the power by the remainder, which is 7 raised to the power 2, which is the, now I know it is gonna be 9. 7 sevens are 49. Third option is the right answer, not 4. Please check. Ruby, do you follow? Replacing the power by remainder and you get the answer. Yeah, perfect. Shall we proceed, everyone? This is again very basic. We'll go to some good questions. Can we go to the next one? Please confirm, everyone. Okay, let's proceed. ये बताइए प्लीज क्या होगा आंसर. Okay, some answers are coming. Uh, one is 1, second is coming out to be 0. Let's check what is the answer. Any other answers coming? Shivam is getting 1. Okay. Any other answers? Last 10 seconds we'll discuss. चलिए आइए डिस्कस करते हैं. So we have got this expression 327. Again, I am just concerned with the unit digit. We have learned this concept that we'll just focus on the unit digit. So let's make it the way it is simple. 7 raised to the power 301 into 5 raised to the power 72 minus 4 raised to the power 21. We have to tell the unit digit of this expression. 7 we are aware is having a sagacity of 4, so we'll just replace the power by a remainder of 4. 7 4 the 28, 21, 5. I have my remainder as 1, so I'll just replace that. 7 raised to the power 1. 5, I know no matter whatever is the power will remain always 5. Minus 4, again I have learned 4 has a sagacity of 2, which means odd will remain 4 and the even will remain 6. So it will be 4. Now here we have to apply the BOD mass, right? So first we'll go for multiplication and then we'll go for subtraction. So let's do that. 7 5s are, the last unit digit will be 5 minus 4. Answer comes out to be 1 as the unit digit. Please check. So Sambit, good, and Shivam, you got the right answers. 1 is the right answer, not 0. Please check. No worries, Ruby, you have to please check. The expression has a negative sign. चक दे नहीं करना है हमें यहाँ पे. ठीक है जी. Everybody clear? 1 is the answer. Can we proceed, everyone? Okay, let's go to the next one. अब आ जाते हैं जी टू डिजिट्स के ऊपर एंड सॉल्व कीजिए ये वाला and then we'll discuss. Please tell me the answer. 30 seconds we'll discuss. The clue is that like we solved for unit digit, for one digit, very similar lines we'll be solving here for two digits. Just focus on the last two digits. Smihan is saying second option. Let's check if it is the right answer. Others, please confirm. Shivam, Pruthi and Ruby are also saying 64. Okay, we'll check. Last 15 seconds we will discuss. Archana is also saying second option. Okay. Great. चलिए आइए discuss करते हैं and see what is the answer, if all of you are getting the right answer or not. So here, like I suggested, we have to just focus on the last two digits of the whatever number of numbers which are there. And so I can write down the same expression or the numbers given as something like this: 57 into 68 into 84 into 93 into 22. I'm just focusing on the last two digits. Yeah. Now I'll start multiplying each one of them and just focus on last two digits again. So let's do that. 6, 18 and 6, 46. So from here I get 46. I can write down the same expression as this one. I'll now take this pair. 6 4 is 24, 6 8 is 48, 50, 4 4 is 16, and I get 64 from here. I will stop here. I will write down the expression as 264. I'll take the next pair. 32, 24, 27, 48. I've got what? 52. My expression is reduced to 57 into 52. I'll solve this now. 64 is the last two digits I'll be getting from the multiplication of all. Second option is the right answer. All of you right. Smihan, good. You've got the right answer. So I have to just focus on the last two digits of all my multiplications and I'll get my answer 64 as the final value. Clear, everybody? Please confirm. Shall we proceed? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Everyone, please confirm in the chat window. Okay. We are now familiar how to solve for two digits also. Same thing, when the question asks about the last two digits, the only relevant digits to answer the question are the last two digits of all the numbers. ये बात clear हो गई है and we are all through with this. Let's proceed to the next one. अब हम cyclicity की बात कर लेते हैं for two digits. So जब हम जैसे हमने for one digit सीखा है, और ये two digits के लिए क्या है cyclicity 07 की बात. So we'll just pick the most familiar numbers. 07 के लिए the cyclicity is 4. 7 की तो होती है 4. For 07 also we have it 4. 07, 49, 43, 01, and then it will again have 07. So the cyclicity of 07 is 4. 24 and 76 are the two numbers where 24 raised to the power odd will always end in 24 and 24 raised to the power even will always have 76 as the last two digits. Please check. Ending with 5. So if tens digit of the number and its power is odd, So if the power is odd, then the last two digits will be 75. Please check. Otherwise, it is 25. So power अगर odd है तो आपके last two digits बन जाएंगे 75. अगर even है then it is 25. Now this one is interesting. Last two digits of a number ending with 1. Yes. So we have got a1 raised to the power m into n. Now here the last number will be 1 only, but the number before that will be the unit digit of a into n. I will just highlight here with a different color. A into n. The unit digit, whatever will be coming, will be my the 10th place of the expression. So this is interesting. You please note this down. Please, all of you, make a note of all of these 4 points. Will be helpful in solving number of questions. And confirm once you've done that. Okay, Shivam. Others, please confirm. Okay, Archana. Okay, Smehan. Last 5 seconds will proceed. All right. Can we go to the next one? Okay. Amandeep, done? Please confirm. Amandeep, can you hear me? Okay. Have you noted down all the 4 points, Amandeep? Perfect. Okay, let's proceed. So these, especially the fourth one, is really important. This will be really helpful. Okay, let's go to the next one. Yes, please solve this last two digits of the product and tell me the answer. Shivam is saying second option. We'll check Shivam. Ruby is also saying second option. Okay. Now we will have good quality questions starting from here, this question onwards. So good. Please tell me, everyone. Last 15 seconds we will discuss. Sambit is also saying second option. Okay. Okay. Archana is also saying second option. Let's solve it. So we have just learned the different properties to solve this one. 24 raised to the power odd will remain 24. That we have learned, right? And the second one, we know that the unit place will be 1 and the 10th place will be the unit digit of 6 into 3, which is 18. 8 is the number and 1. Now we will solve this. 24 to get our last two digits. 432, 2. Last two are 44 is the right answer. Absolutely correct. Second option is the right answer. Clear, everyone? So until we knew these all different rules and methods, this question would have been difficult. But now, please keep all these learnings and concepts on top of your mind so that you get the answer straight in a couple of seconds. Clear, everybody? Shall we proceed? Absolutely, Shivam. So Shivam is having a good question. If the number is 661 instead of 61, let me write that down. Into 53, and we have got 24 here, right? Then again, stick to the basics, Shivam. What is our A over here in this case? A is 66. And N is what? N is 3. Multiply करेंगे क्या है value? 198. What is the unit digit from here? 8. And that will become our 10th place for the result. Irrespective of whatever, the complete will be becoming my A. In this case, 66. Clear? And I'm just concerned with this unit digit. So it hardly makes a difference. Perfect. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. ये बताइए please. Let's see who can get this right. 30 seconds we'll discuss. Okay, one answer is coming, 92. Let's check if it is right or not. Any other answers, please? Archana is saying third option, 72. We will check if it is the right answer or not. Okay. Okay, last 10 seconds, please. We will discuss. चलिए आइए solve करते हैं. So yeah, let's do it. So this is an interesting one. What are the last two digits of 2 to the power 157? Yeah. So one way to do it is, I know for 2 the cyclicity is 4. I will simply divide 157 by 4, and sorry, and I get 4 3s are 12, 37, 4 9s are 36. My answer remainder is 1. I will replace the remainder as 1 and say 02. I mean, this is one way to look at it, but this is a trap. No, this is not the right way. What is the right way? Another way of doing it is what we have learned. Then when we have to find our last two digits, I will always keep the two digits in my mind. Over here, I am ignoring the fact that I have to look for two digits, right? So let's do that. First thing first, I will try to convert this 2 raised to power 157 into something which is more comfortable. I can write down this as 2 raised to power 10 raised to power 15 into 2 raised to power 7. Can I write this down like this? This is more comfortable. Now, also 2 raised to power 10 I know is 1024. Last two digits is something which I will be observing. 24 raised to the power 15 into 2 raised to the power 7. Again, you should know right from 2 raised to the power 1 till 2 raised to the power 10 at least. 2, 4, 8, 16, 24, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024. These you should be having on top of your head always. So now 2 raised to the power 7 is what? 128. So again, we have learned 24 raised to the power odd will remain 24. And over here we have got last two values as 28. Now this is reduced to by these two digits. Let's multiply and get the answer. 32, 19, 11, 16, 72 is the right answer. Good, Archana, you got it right. Good. 72 is the right answer, not 92. Please check. Clear, everyone? Again, there will be no defined cyclicity, Ruby. To your question, Ruby is asking, sir, what will be the cyclicity for last two digits? For last two digits, there are only few numbers where we'll be having cyclicity, like 07 we have seen, right? 24, 56 we have seen. It will not be happening for all the numbers. You have to convert them into powers where we have the familiar numbers. 24, yes, I know. I can therefore write it down in such a manner such that 24 I'll be able to derive. 2 raised to the power 7, last two digits I know 28. I multiply, I get the answers. Two digits, it will be rare we'll be having cyclicity pattern here. It is more limited to unit digit only. Okay, Ruby? Clear, everybody? Shall we proceed? Everyone, please confirm in the chat window. Yes, Ruby, please tell me. Ruby is saying, what will be the last two digits of 3 raised to the power 330? Anybody wants to try? What will be the last two digits over here? Tell me the answer, anyone. If you can solve it, we'll give another quick 20 seconds and then we'll discuss. We'll be solving it a very similar way what we have done here, Ruby, in our this question. Anybody? Tell me the answer, please. Okay, let's solve it. So here what I'll try to do is again like we have done for 2 raised to the power 157, I'll try to break this down to familiar power so that we can get to the last two digits. So here what I can see is I will try to distribute this as 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 100 and into 3 raised to the power 30. That's how something I'll try to do. 327 I know raised to the power 100 into 3 raised to the power 30. Again for 27, is there any cyclicity? Let me check. 27 was not right, that was 24. Okay. I have to just create this in a way that my pattern comes out. Just a moment. Hundred into 110. Not getting the pattern here, Ruby. Can we park this one? I will certainly try it and we'll get back to you in the next class. I'll make a note of this. 3 power 330. Any options given to us? How will 81 help, Sambit? Oh yes, 81 will help. Exactly. 81 will try to do a raised to power. Let's try doing it. Three raised to power 330. Let's then divide 330 by 4. I get what? 8 for the 32. 4 to the 8, I get a remainder of 2. Okay, can I say 3 raised to power 4 raised to the power 82 into 3 raised to power 2? This is 81 raised to the power 82 into 3 raised to the power 2. And here I can say it will be, the last digits will be 1 and 8 to 6 and 0, 9. 61 into 0, 9, 9, 54, 0. 49 is the answer. Please confirm, Ruby. 49 is the answer. I'm not sure about it, but yes, I think. Can you confirm, Ruby? If we have the options. Okay, then I think 49 is the most possible answer, but I'll still try it again and we'll work through it. If any other option is there, 81 is yes, as suggested by Sambit, is looking possible as a possible solution. Okay. All right, shall we proceed, everyone? Okay, please go ahead. Please solve this one. 3 per 98, similar. Let's see now who can get this one. Okay, Shivam is saying fourth option. We'll check. Others, please confirm. Right. Sambit is also saying 89. Archana is saying 4. Ruby, what is your answer now? Are you getting it? Last 15 seconds we'll discuss. Okay, let's discuss this one. So it is again on very similar lines. We will again convert this into 81, right? So I will divide 98 by 4. I get uh, 24 into 4 is 96. Mhm. Into 3 raised power 2, 81, 24 into 09. And this gives me the value as what? 1. 8 fours are 32, 21 into 09. And answer comes out to be 189. 89 is the last two digit of the 3 raised power 90 is the right answer. Fourth option is correct. Good, Shivam. Clear, everybody? Ruby, now is this clear to you? Perfect. Let's go to the next one. अब आ जाती है जी क्लास एक्सरसाइज. अब देखते हैं, आइए 3 questions. How many of you can get this right? Time starts now. Last 10 seconds, we'll go to question number 2. Question number 2 on your screen, please check. Ten seconds, we'll go to question number 3. Question number 3 on your screen. Last 10 seconds, we'll check the answers for all the three. Okay, here are the answers. First is first option, second is 24, third is 41. First is 8 is the right answer. Please confirm how many of you got all three right. Perfect, Shivam. Others? Ruby, all correct. Archana, all. Sambit, all. Smihan 213. Okay, Smihan, please tell me which question you could not get right. You want me to discuss it or it is okay? Okay, let's see it quickly. So we have got what? 61 raised to the power 149, the same expression we have. One will come, and over here, what is our number 6 over here, right? 6, my bad. Yes. So 6 into 9 is the number I have to calculate, right? This is A, and this is M, and this is N. So A into N is something which I will be doing. 6 9s are 54, 41 is my answer. So you have to just locate the numbers. What is M, what is N? Clear, Smihan? Shall we go back to the main presentation, everyone? Please confirm. Okay. All right. Let's go to the second half of the class where we are talking about concept of factors. Now, how many factors will be there for a given number? How will we go about it? So it is nothing but it is given by when we write down the number in the form of prime factorization, d is equal to a raised to power p into b raised to power q into c raised to power r, where a and b and c are the primes. Then the number of factors are given by nothing but n is equal to p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1. This gives me the total number of factors of d. Please check. Please make a note of this. This is an important expression. Total number of factors of a given number d is equal to nothing but n is equal to p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1, where p, q, r are the powers of the prime numbers in the prime factorization form. Please make a note and confirm. We'll proceed. Can we go to the next one? Shivam is saying done. Others? Okay, let's proceed. Let's go to one stage up. When we are saying the sum of all those n factors of d is given by this formula. We have Sn, which is the sum of all the factors. It is given by a raised to the power p plus 1 minus 1 into b raised to the power q plus 1 minus 1 into c raised to the power r plus 1 minus 1 divided by a minus 1 into b minus 1 into c minus 1. This is the sum of all the n factors of d, and Similarly, if I talk about the product of all those n factors will be nothing but d raised to the power number of factors divided by 2. Please check. So there are these three formulas which we have to remember. Make a note of this and confirm, please. Shall we proceed, everyone? Shivam is saying yes. Others? Okay. Smehan is also saying done. Archana is saying done. Ruby is saying done. Amanpreet, have you noted down? Please confirm. I want confirmation from all. Amanpreet, can you hear me? Amandeep, sorry. Can you hear me, Amandeep? Please confirm, Amandeep, if you have noted this down, both the formulas. Okay, let's go to the next one. Bataiye please, what are the number of factors of 150? 30 seconds we'll discuss. Shivam is saying 12. Let's check. Others, please confirm. Archana is saying 12. Last 10 seconds we'll discuss. चलिए आइए solve करते हैं आइए. So first thing we'll be writing down 115 to prime factorization form. Okay, Adesh. So 150 we have 5, 35, 6, 3, 2. So we have got 5 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 1 into 2 raised to power 1. This is my prime factorization form for 150. What I have learned, what I've just learned is the total number of factors are nothing but 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. These are my total number of factors, which is nothing but 3 into 2 into 2, which is 12 is the right answer. Good, Shivam. Yeah, we've just learned this formula. This is very simple and straight. Clear, everybody? 12 is the right answer, everyone. Shall we proceed? Please confirm in the chat window, everyone. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। अगला प्रश्न आपकी स्क्रीन पर ये रहा. This is a good one. Now let's see who can get this right. Please tell me. Yes, please tell me. What is the answer, students? Shivam is saying 36. Okay, we'll check Shivam. Any other answers, anyone? Sambit is saying 64. Okay, we'll check. Smihan is saying 96. Ruby is saying 32. We'll check. Last 15 seconds, we'll discuss. चलिए आइए डिस्कस करते हैं और देखते हैं क्या है इसका सही आंसर. So the idea is to write down again 444 into the prime factorization form and then get the answers. But how do we get to the prime factorization form? That's the only thing which is required to be known for this answer. So let's do this. So 444 can be written down as 444 into 1001. First thing, please check. Also, I can write down, I know that 1001 is a product of 7 into 11 into 13. Please check. And I can write down this as 4 into 111 into 7 into 11 into 13. And 111 again I can write down as 37 into 3 is 111. So my all the factors over here, the prime factorization become 2 raised to power 2 into 3 into 7 into 11 into 13 into 37. These are my prime factors involved for 44444. Now I have to just write down the product of all the numbers. 2 plus 1 and 2 will come how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is power 5. 2 is power 5 is what? I know it is 32. Answer comes out to be 96 is the right answer. Good, Smehan, you got it right. Third option is the right answer. Not first, not fourth, not 36 or 32. 96 is the right answer. Clear, everyone? Now, any number which is repeating 6 times will be having, please make a note of this, factors 3, 7, 11, 13, 37 and itself, the number itself. ये हमारे पास जो 6 फैक्टर्स तो आएंगे ही आएंगे, याद रखिएगा प्लीज. The number will have all of these as the factors. Clear, everybody? Shall we proceed? Everyone please confirm. Shall we proceed to the next one? This was a good question, and I've seen similar questions in the mocks and the CAT examination, so please make a note of this. This is important. Okay, let's proceed. So Ruby, 6 times the number should repeat. 6 times I just mentioned. Yeah. Okay. चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं number of zeros and the highest power. I'll take 5 more minutes. This is again important. Number of zeros निकालने होते हैं आपको. इसमें बताइए 120 factorial में how many number of zeros will be there at the end? Try it. We'll discuss. 30 seconds. Okay, so the clue is that zeros are made by the multiplication of 2s and 5s. Please note, आपको यहाँ 2s और 5s देखने हैं, एक बार आप वो चेक कर लेंगे, you will be getting the answers because 0 is made out of 2 and 5. Yeah, last 15 seconds, otherwise we'll solve it. Shivam is saying 28. Okay, let's check. चलिए आइए solve करते हैं. So whenever we are given a factorial, so how do we go about it? We actually calculate the number of highest power of 2s and highest power of 5s in that factorial. जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा, because the zeros are nothing but a product of 2 and 5. So अगर दिया हो 120, how do I get to know the highest power of 2? I will just keep dividing 2 until I'm not able to divide further. So 120, I got 60. Whatever is the divisor, I will be dividing it further with the same number. 30, 15, 7, 3, 1, and that is all. So I'll sum it up all. So I get what? 10, 25, 25, and 90. 25 and 90 is 115 and 1, 116 is my highest power of 2 which is possible. Similarly, I'll do it for 5. 120, 24, 4s are 20, and that is all. So I sum up all of these. I get what? 28. This is my highest value of 5 which is possible. Now, whatever is the value which is lower, my bad, is lower will be the deciding factor on number of zeros at the end of the factorial. So over here, 20 is definitely less than 116, which means we'll be having 28 as the number of zeros at the end of 120 factorial, because 5 will be the one deciding factor over here. 2, we have ample number of powers there, but 5 is the one which will be deciding. Hence, 28 zeros at the end of 120 factorial. Please check. Clear, everybody? 28 is right. Good, Shivam, you got it right. Yes. Clear, everybody? Please confirm. Is this process clear? How are we doing it? Just keep dividing the divisor until we are not able to divide it further. Sum all of them. That gives you the power of 2 and 5. And whichever is lesser, in most of times, I mean, we'll see 5 is the one which is the deciding factor, and we get the answer. Can you proceed to the next one? Everyone, please confirm. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. ये बताइए. Greatest power of 3 on very similar lines. कुछ भी हो सकता है, मतलब वो हमें 10 देखना था, 5 and 2. अब हम 3 की बात कर रहे हैं. करिए प्लीज सॉल्व. बताइए क्या आंसर है. Now everybody should be able to solve it. Please tell me the answer. Yes, please tell me the answer. Abhi, we have just learned the method. कुछ इसमें rocket science नहीं है. It is very simple. By now you should have solved it. Tell me the answer, please. Okay, Ruby is saying 18. We'll check. Others, please confirm what is the answer coming. Smehan is saying 17. Last 10 seconds we'll discuss. चलिए आइए करते हैं सॉल्व और देखते हैं क्या है इसका सही उत्तर. सो सेम प्रोसेस 41 को लिखेंगे यहाँ पर और 3 से डिवाइड करते रहेंगे until we can. So let's do it. 1 3 11 3 3s are 9. Taking 13 3 4 3s are 12. Taking 4 3 3 1s are 3. Now I cannot divide further. Add them up. What are we getting? 13 plus 4 plus 1. 18 is the right answer. Not 17, please check. You cannot ignore the one there. Adesh, clear? Clear, everybody? Shall we proceed? I want to cover 2 more questions before we complete this class. So, shall we proceed? Okay, let's go to the next one. Class size हम skip करेंगे. इसकी बात करते हैं. ये class size is very similar to what we just did. I want some variety of questions to be put. Please solve this one, 13th question, and we'll see what is the answer. On very similar lines, what we've just learned. Ruby is saying 3. We'll check. Smehan is also saying 3. Okay. Awesome. Okay, so let me take this. Let me take this. So the point is that the the way we have been solving, I mean, the different questions, dividing it further and then getting the value, and then that is only applicable for primes, only applicable for prime number, not for composite number. So this is a composite number. We have to convert this into a prime. So let's do that. So 18, we have what? 9, 3, 3. So we have got 2 into 3 raised to power 2. So we'll be doing it for primes again. So the process will be same, but I have to do it for primes. So 2, 30, 30, 15, 7, 3, 1. This makes how much? This is 10, 11, 11, and 15, 26, 26, and 30, 56. So 2 raised to power 56 is one value. And for 3, we'll do the same thing. 60 factorial, 20, 18, 2, that is all. So we've got what? 28. Now 28 we have got raised to the power 3. We are talking about 3 raised to the power 2 over here, which means 28 has to be divided by 2, which means 14 is the highest power for 3 raised to the power 2. Now we have got both the values. One is, I'll just color put them different. One is 14 and one is 56. Which one is lesser will be the one determining. 14 is the highest power of 18, which will exactly divide 60 factorial. 14 is the right answer. Please check. We have to do it for primes, but not the composite number. Please check. Clear, everyone? Please confirm. Everybody clear on this one? Okay. So last question for the day. This you can apply the formulas and get the answer right. I'm sure this is not a brainer. This is the last question. Please solve this and we'll get the answers. Let's see who can solve this one now. Please check. ये यहाँ पर बीच में divide हो रहा है, and this is the denominator. This is the numerator. Please tell me the answer. Yes, please tell me the answer. Anyone? Last 20 seconds we'll discuss. Anyone who could solve it? Anybody getting any answers? If no, चलिए आइए फिर डिस्कस करते हैं. Anybody please confirm in the chat window if you are about to get the answer or close to the answer, or we can discuss. Okay, Shivam is saying आप क्विट करते हैं पर आप गेस कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो शिवम इज सेइंग सेकंड ऑप्शन. ओके, चलिए देखते हैं शिवम आपका उत्तर सही होता है या नहीं. ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग. चलिए आइए सॉल्व करते हैं इस प्रश्न को. सो 24 फैक्टोरियल इनटू 105 रेज़ टू द पावर 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 80 रेज़ टू द पावर 4 इनटू 81 रेज़ टू द पावर 3. बात वही है. जब हम जीरोस की बात करें तो फाइव्स और टूज की ही बात होगी, तो फोकस वहीं रहेगा. बट उससे पहले, बिफोर वी गो देयर, let's try to simplify this, right? So can I write down this 105 as, I know 105 is a multiplication of 7 into 5 into 3, 35 3s are 105. Yeah, and 80 को मैं आगे लिख सकता हूँ in terms of factors of 2. तो ये है हमारा 80 है, लिखते हैं आइए 40 20 10 5 to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 4 into 81 raised to the power 3. ये क्या बन गया हमारा? 24 factorial into 7 into 5 raised to the power 10 into 3 raised to the power 10 divided by 2 raised to the power 16 into 5 raised to the power 4 into 81 को हम ऐसे ही रहने देते हैं क्योंकि हमें 5s और 2s ही देखने हैं सिर्फ. राइट नाउ लेट्स गो एंड सी हाउ मेनी 2s आर देयर इन दिस. तो 2s कितने हैं हमारे? 24 2 12 6 3 1. We sum it up. How much it is coming? 10 and 12 22 minus denominator में 2 raised to the power 16 है, minus 16 which comes out to be 2 raised to the power 6. right? ये हमारे पास वैल्यू आ गई 2 raised to the power की. अब similarly 5 we can do over here. We'll do it. 24 5 करें अगर तो कितना आ गया? 5 4s are 20. बात खत्म. तो मगर यहाँ पर into 5 raised to the power 10 भी हो रहा है और डिवाइड बाय 5 raised to the power 4 भी है. तो which means 4 plus 10 minus 4, which means 5 raised to the power 10 is my net value. Yeah. अब आप देख सकते हैं कि हमारे पास दो वैल्यूज आ गई हैं. फॉर 2 it is 6 and for 5 it is 10, and which is lesser? 2 raised per value is lesser. Which will be the deciding factor over here? And the answer is first option, 6 is the right answer. Please check. Why this question is so special? Because over here 5 is not the one which is determining, 2 is the one which is determining the final answer. 6 is the right answer. Please check. Clear everybody? बात वही हो रही है 5 और 2 के टर्म में, बट हमें ये पूरे इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है टू गेट अवर आंसर फर्स्ट. Clear everyone? Please confirm. Everybody please confirm in the chat window. Perfect. So this is where we stop. Thank you so much everyone, and I hope you learned some good methods today on the highest power possible on numbers. Please go back and practice questions, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the next class. Thank you so much everyone. Take care of yourself, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Well, I'll see you.